Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Jess, and today I want to jump straight into the video because I am doing an iPhone 12 Pro unboxing. So I just received this today and I'm so excited. So this is the iPhone 12 Pro. I have it in the gold color and I got 256 gigabytes. So I'm just going to be basically unboxing it, showing you guys what it looks like, setting it up, and the previous phone I used was the iPhone 10. This one had 64 gigabytes of storage. I am looking for ways I'm going to recycle this phone. I may pass it down to my mom or something along the lines of that. I do want to show you guys a comparison with the camera for the 10 versus the 12 Pro. And yeah, let's get right into the unboxing. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it now. Ooh, this is just so pretty. Wow. Looks like so chic, and this looks so nice. So I got the gold color and it's just got this really light whitish gold background here, the gold siding. And what I'm most excited about is the cameras here, because for the iPhone 10, as you can see, it's completely different type of camera. So I'm super excited to test this out. Take this off. Ooh. So nice and clean, no scratches. First impression, this looks like really nice. I'm definitely excited to set it all up and get to using it. So in the box does come like a charging cable, although there's no cube, so that's different. This is the USB-C. It looks like this. Also in the box is this tool that's supposed to help you remove the SIM card. So here is the iPhone 12 Pro, and it looks very nice, very sleek. And here's the size of the 12 Pro and then the iPhone 10 next to each other. The iPhone 12 Pro just looks a tiny bit bigger. Okay, so it's turning on now. Okay, so I just have my 12 Pro here and then my old iPhone. So I'm just gonna go through the process of setting this up. I'm just gonna swipe up, set up manually. Just gonna connect to my Wi-Fi. I'm just gonna join. So it just says it may take a few minutes to activate your phone. Confirm your phone number here. And then it's just asking you to authenticate user. So now we're just going through the data and privacy. Okay, and then Face ID. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this real quick. Okay, so I just set up the Face ID, so now that's all good. Just gonna continue. Okay, so I'm just gonna create a passcode real quick. Now for apps and data. So I'm gonna transfer directly from iPhone, and I already have my old one here, so I'm just gonna put them together. Okay, so now this comes up on my old phone. Set up the new phone. Okay, so to set up new phone, use your Apple ID to set up your new phone. I'm just gonna continue. Okay, so hold your new phone up to the camera. So this is just asking to enter the passcode for the other phone I have. Okay, so transfer data from my iPhone. It says it may take 25 to 35 minutes for me. Settings from my other phone. The following settings can be transferred from my old iPhone. Apple Pay, I actually didn't even set this up on my other phone, so I'm just gonna skip over this. Siri dictation. Okay, so I'm just not gonna do this right now, the Siri dictation. And the app analytics. I'm just not going to share that. Okay, so here I have my old phone and then the new phone, so it's just transferring the data right now. And it'll probably, it said it was gonna take 25 to 35 minutes, so we'll see exactly how long it takes. So I'm just gonna hold on tight for that, and then we're gonna see what this phone is all about. I'm so excited. It says it has about 3 minutes left. I would recommend plugging in your old iPhone while it's doing the transfer, and then just make sure that you keep them like next to each other while it's going, or while it's transferring. So the transfer is complete. So this is my old iPhone, this is what it's showing, and now on the new phone it is just downloading. Now it's just finalizing the downloading and the transfer. Okay, so now this is my new phone. It now has the wallpaper that I had on my old phone, so let's just go into it. Okay, yeah, so this looks just like the old phone, so let's move the old phone to the side now. Use this iPhone when sharing your location. I'm just doing that now. Okay, so it's just installing some of my apps. It looks like it's all done. It's just downloading the apps now. So this is the new phone. Everything's transferred over. This was the wallpapers I had on my old phone. So now we are in business. Let's open this baby up and see what this camera looks like, because that is what I'm so excited about. Just going to compare the cameras now. So this is the iPhone 10. This is the iPhone 12 Pro. So I'm just going to show you the differences and like compare the two cameras to see how much better the 12 Pro is from the 10. So I'm just going to show you guys how the phones compare with the photos. So I have my new phone and then it's my old phone here. So here's the old phone, here's the new phone. I'm going to show you guys from the phone's perspective too. Wow, so that looks pretty good considering this is a video of a video. This is so interesting. So the old iPhone is showing like my freckles, and the new one like looks like it has an effect that's like softening my skin, which is really interesting. Okay, so I just want to show you guys the case that I got. So I was looking into sustainable or biodegradable cases, ones that aren't made of plastic basically. And I did see that Casetify, I am not sponsored by Casetify or anything like that. I did find that they have a sustainable case. It is made of 100% bamboo, so it's 100% biodegradable and 100% compostable, which I love. I was really excited when I found this case, and it feels like it kind of feels like a cross between rubber and wood put together. I don't know how to describe it, but almost like this rubbery kind of consistency. So it feels like it's gonna hold really well and it's gonna protect my phone. I'm just gonna place this on now, and I got this in like a beige color. I'm gonna link it down below for you guys if you are interested. I do not trust myself without a case on my phone. Oh my god, I love this. So here's the case, and I actually got it engraved. I got it engraved on the bottom there. It's not like too noticeable, it's pretty subtle, but I really like it. It's really cute. I want to say I spent about $40 on this case, which is a little pricey, I feel. I think this is really good quality. It seems like it's really gonna last. And I like how the front border here just sticks out a little bit further than the screen. If I drop this face down, that's gonna protect it. So yeah, overall this feels like a good case, and I'm really happy that I found it and that it is 100% biodegradable. So good job, Casetify. Okay everyone, and that is it for the video. I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope you found this helpful. I definitely really like the iPhone 12 Pro. The only thing I really didn't like, and I did look it up and I couldn't find a way to possibly remove this feature, is the camera like softening of the skin when you use the front facing camera. I want to look more into it and see if there's anything that would remove that or help with that. But otherwise, like, this is absolutely amazing. It looks really chic. It looks nice. The cameras are amazing. I take most of my photos from not the front facing, but from the back cameras. And the quality looks so clear and so crisp. That is it for the video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful. And subscribe to my channel if you guys want to stay up to date with my content. I make a lot of vlogs, styling videos, that type of stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I can see you all in my next video.